How high can Bitcoin go now that the Bitcoin ETF has been approved? And what are the things that could potentially push the price of crypto and Bitcoin even higher? But there are some things that can push the price even lower. Let's get into it. The Bitcoin spot ETF trading volume surpassed 1.6 billion within minutes of launching. Now, this is absolutely major because we know what happens when there's more capital pumped into the crypto market. When people are buying, prices go up. And Bitcoin is now trading on multiple exchanges. We see that Bitcoin is trading on the Chicago Board of Exchange, trading on the New York Stock Exchange, and it's trading on ARCA, it's trading on NASDAQ. And this is major because the closest thing we have to comparing to see how this could potentially affect the price of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency is by looking at gold. Why? What do we call Bitcoin? We call Bitcoin digital gold. And let's see what happened when gold ETF got approved. When the gold ETF launched, we see that it accumulated over $1.5 billion within the first 3 days. But when you look at Bitcoin, it's already had over 1.6 billion in trading volume. So Bitcoin's ETF is outperforming gold's ETF. And what's more exciting is looking at the chart to get more clarity of potentially what could happen at Bitcoin's price movement. This line that I have highlighted on the chart is the day when the gold ETF was publicly traded. Now let's take a look at the price movement. Now we can see that prices moved up a little bit, but once it did become public, look how it ran up. Clearly it has some retracement, but the overall trend is moving higher and higher and higher. We got to zoom out to get a better perspective. Look how high that ran up. That is absolutely beautiful. Now, if you are looking at this price movement and we're trying to compare it to potentially what Bitcoin can do, it's an indication of how high Bitcoin can go. And if Bitcoin continues to follow that uptrend, it's going to take the rest of the crypto market with it. And we have to combine this bullish factor with, if you're enjoying this video, click the subscribe button because I'll be coming out with more videos and more YouTube shorts. The Bitcoin halving. This chart is displaying when the next Bitcoin halving is approximately going to happen, which is 91 days, 17 hours, 13 minutes now. Because for the last 3 Bitcoin halvings, we know every single time there's a halving, Bitcoin always reaches a new all-time high. So let's see how high Bitcoin could potentially go with the Bitcoin halving being so close. In the first Bitcoin halving, we saw Bitcoin go from $12 to $1,200. That is 10,000% profit. That's as if you invested $10,000 and now you have $1 million. That is insane. But in the next Bitcoin halving, the percentage gain wasn't as much. We saw Bitcoin only go up 2,900%. And that's crazy even saying that. It only went up 2,900%. And the truth is because we've seen these type of percentages in crypto. We've seen crypto projects go up 100%. 300%, 500, 1,000%, 3,000%, 4,000%, 5,000%. So sometimes it's not that much of a crazy surprise, but the profits are still absolutely amazing. Now, if you look at the most recent Bitcoin halving, Bitcoin only went up 750%. So now we know with every single halving, the previous all-time high to the next all-time high increase isn't as high. So with the upcoming halving, it's predicted that Bitcoin is going to go up approximately 200% from the previous all-time high, which is almost $7,000. My bad, YouTube fam. I meant to say $70,000, not 7,000, 70,000. All right, back to the video. But with the 200%, it's still amazing profit. This chart that you're seeing right now is the Bitcoin chart. And what I have highlighted right here on top is the Bitcoin previous all-time high, which was close to $70,000. So taking that 200% increase that Bitcoin could potentially achieve in the next bull market, let's see how high Bitcoin could potentially go. I drew it out right here just so you can get a visual. This is how high we could potentially see Bitcoin go all the way up here, close to this $140,000 price range. Now, let's just say in a perfect world, it moves straight uptrend. Now, we know that's not realistic, but just to draw that out, it would be something like this towards that $140,000 price range. And this is not just great for Bitcoin, but this means that your favorite cryptocurrency, regardless if it's Cardano, ADA, Ethereum, Avalanche, Solana, even meme coins. We're going to see Bitcoin bring all those crypto up with it. So there's so much profit that could be made. And not only that, there's other bullish factors that are lined up for 2024, which is the US election. We have to realize that there is a direct correlation between the stock market and the crypto market. We have to realize that all these crypto projects that we love so much, a lot of them are startups, they're businesses, they're companies. And what we can see historically is that every single time that there is a US election, how does that affect the stock market? Well, it shows right here that the stock market on average increases by an average of 7% every time during the US election. Meaning when we see that the stock market is going up, we will also see that the crypto market goes up. If you see the stock market suddenly crashing, going down, let's say 5% for the day, most likely we are going to see the crypto market also go down. So this election is very bullish for the crypto market as well. And it gets even better. That's not even all. The Federal Reserve announced last year in December that they plan on cutting interest rate, not just 3 times. Specifically, they said a minimum of 3 times. And we know that there's a direct correlation between interest rate and the crypto market and the stock market as well. Meaning every single time within 2023, when we saw that the Fed increased interest rate, we saw that the crypto market continued to go lower, lower, and lower. And them announcing that they plan on cutting it a minimum of 3 times is very bullish for the crypto market. Meaning when they make those announcements that interest rate will be going down, then we can see crypto market continue to spike up on the days of those announcements. And I am not done. There is still another little golden nugget. This isn't a little nugget. This is more of a big nugget, which is that BlackRock has filed for an Ethereum ETF. Yes, an Ethereum ETF has been filed by BlackRock, but there is no evidence right now if that ETF is going to get approved or if it's going to get denied. But if it does get approved, like the Bitcoin ETF was approved, this is absolutely massive for Ethereum and all the layer 2 crypto projects that are built on the Ethereum network. Because I believe if the Ethereum ETF gets approved, then we will see a lot of layer 2s on the Ethereum network do absolutely amazing. So Nike, are you telling me I gotta sell everything and I should put it in crypto? No, that's not what I'm saying. But what I'm saying is there has been a lot of positive things in crypto so far. Bitcoin is up almost 150% in the past year. Solana's up over 400% in the past year. Akashi network that I spoke about in one of my shorts, it's up over 1,000% in the last year. We have been seeing so many positive price movement, and there is more positive things that are lined to happen this year. But there are some negative things as well. So based on this survey that was done, it says in 2024, half of the companies plan to lay off or fire 22 or to 30% of their staff. So if we see more people getting let go, if we see unemployment increase, that will not be good for the stock market and it will not be good for the crypto market. And we will see the reflection of this in the market. And this is why I always say one of the most important things when it comes to investing or trading is risk management, which is having a plan of what you're going to do if prices goes up, but also having a plan of what you're going to do if prices goes down. So regardless of what direction the market moves in, you're always prepared. But I want to know what you think. Do you think that prices are going to go up and we're going to have an amazing crypto market this year? Or if the market is going to struggle, and which crypto do you think is going to do absolutely amazing? If you found value in this video, hit a subscribe because I'll be posting more videos and I post daily YouTube shorts.